it do? It's your boy Marcel, and today's video is going to be about how to lay down your waves. Stay tuned. Alright man, so this is going to be a very quick video. Already hard and medium brush. So next I'm about to show y'all what to do to lay down your waves. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the soft brush. Let's get it. Alright, we got the soft brush. You want to use the soft brush to lay down your hair after the hard and medium. Alright man, I ain't gonna do too much talking because I got another video on this. This is just an updated video for 2020. Let's get it. Alright man, after you hit your head with the soft brush, you want to go ahead and apply your products. Let's get it. So we're about to apply the oil and the pomade. The pomade's for the crown, the oil is for everything else around. Let's get it. So we already hit it with the oils and stuff. Next is the Ziploc bag. I messed up on that. Next is the Ziploc bag. Let's see it. All right, we got the Ziploc bag. Very easy, very smooth. You want to put this boy to the head, and let's get it. Alright man, that is the end of the video man. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, hit the like button. It helps market and get the videos out there so everybody else can see all the other videos I did from freaking last year, bro. So definitely hit them like buttons. Hey man, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.